knee up the foot. Follow, chop. Yes, now 2-on-1.
Break it down again.
Again, ankle, follow. Simple back, half. 2-on-1. Power half. Yes. Hey, break it down. Ankle.
Somebody can hold you.
Follow. Double thigh.
Let's go. Hey, post that wrist.
Get up flat. Wrestle, find a way. Double thigh. Watch the roll. Hey, step over. To your left. Come around. Near ankle. Follow. Ankle. Near ankle. Angle to you. Round the ankle. Double thigh. Lift. Off your knees. Toes. On your toes. Drive. Watch the roll. Hey. Head up.
You can take it down.
Stick to the game plan. Hey, respect.
Hey, you can take it down. It's gonna work.
Hey, hands up.
Move back to it.
When he arm drags, you arm drag back. Hands up, respect. Come fight. 2-on-1, what's your time? Stay in front of him. Come by. Strong. Snap, circle. Face him. Hips out. Up. Head up. Look where you're at. Hey, back pressure. Hey. Let's go, baby. Right here, right. Shut up. Switch to the stand-up. Head up. He's on! Come back to your line! Fight the hand! Up! Face it! Turn it on! Hey!
Coach Carlson to that 8.
Prado! Jelly! Face him! Hey! Give me one! Up! Get one! Short! Head up! Yes! Good money! Look for that! I need you to turn in! Ankle! Hey! Ankle! Yes! Other ankle! Pull him in! Shot! Watch the roll! Near ankle!